Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to make a milk loaf bread. To make a loaf bread, I've got 1 kilogram of strong flour, that's the bread flour. I have 300 ml of warm milk, 300 ml of water, warm water, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of sugar, and 50 grams of melted butter. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. The first step is to do the mixing of the dough. Into the warm water, I'm going to add a tablespoon of yeast, the tablespoon of sugar, and into the flour I'm going to add the nutmeg and the salt. Mix together the water and the yeast. Add the melted butter and also the warm milk. Mix the liquid together and pour into the flour mixture. Using a spoon, mix the liquid into the flour mixture until you get a soft dough. I've mixed the dough, and the next step is to sprinkle some flour onto your worktop. Knead the dough. We're going to knead it for a couple of minutes, pushing forward and backwards. Once kneaded, place the dough back into the bowl, cover with some cling film, and leave in a warm place for about 1 hour for fermentation period. Has come out from the fermentation, you can see it's doubled up in size, and I'm going to dust the worktop with a little bit of flour. Bring out the dough from the bowl, and then we're going to knead the dough to knock back some of the air. I've knocked back some of the air from the dough. So the next step is to, at this stage, you can mold this dough into a rectangular shape. And place onto a greased pan, a bread pan, or a rectangular tin for a loaf. But for the plated bread, divide the dough into 3 pieces and then roll out each piece into a long sausage. Once you have the 3 pieces rolled out into a sausage or baton, start from the tail. Tuck in the tail tightly, and then take the right one, place into the middle, and then the left one into the middle, the outer one into the middle. Keep opening up and making sure it's tight. So right into the middle, spread it out, the left into the middle, right into the middle, spread out, making sure you're pushing the loaf all tight in together, into the middle, into the middle. You get to the end, then tuck in the end of the flat. Shapen the loaf, then plait. Make sure it's all tight. Then spray a baking tray with some oil and place the bread onto the pan. Leave to proof for about 20 minutes. This is just a time when you leave the bread dough to relax and also double in size. We'll be baking. I've proofed the bread dough for about 20 minutes. It's now doubled in size and I'm going to put in the oven to bake for about 20 minutes. The bread loaf is ready to a cooling wire.